hoping someone can help me to identify what's wrong with my sounder and why it's not working properly. You can see the depth, top left hand corner, flashing, and it's reading approximately the right depth. Mind you, if I paddle into shallower water, the sonar will show a shallower depth, and the depth in the top left hand corner will still flash the same number. At the moment I'm just drifting. The pedals are all the way out of the water, so there'll be no intrusion on the transducer with that. Otherwise I'll show you what settings I've got going on and we can hopefully try and diagnose the problem. Sensitivity set to 12, lower range auto, chart speed ultra, and colours standard. Beam selector at 200 Hz as we're in shallow water. Surface clutter set to 5. Switch fire is set to max mode. This one I don't really understand. I'll change that over to clear mode. And as you can see, it's just running across the screen now and not really showing anything at all. And now, very shortly, it'll start to show something little. There you go, down at the very bottom it started to show depth. And now it's changed to 4.3, now it's showing nothing again. A little bit, a speck up at 4.6 meters which flashed up, and then nothing again. And it will continue to have this wash across the screen like such. So I might just put that back to max mode and start reading again. Yet the depth is still flashing. I'm not real confident it's giving me a true reading. I'm not sure if you can tell too much, but the depth is changing down the bottom, but the depth staying the same. Fish ID censored, fish ID, we'll turn that off. RTS window is wide, narrow or off. I'll put that on the narrow for the time being. Bottom view, structure ID or white line. I've gone through the manual and I don't really like the idea of the white line, so I'll leave it on the structure ID. Zoom width wide, transducer select dual beam, and that is it. And this is just set up in meters, degrees Celsius, English, normal, blah blah blah, nothing exciting. And all the views have come up visible. I'm not too sure if I'm supposed to turn any of them off or what the go is, but that is how it's set up. If anyone can help, that would be fabulous. So it's still flashing at 4.7 and it's definitely showing a depth deeper than that, so not too sure what the go is, but hopefully someone else does.